Hello, it's Tuesday the 5th of August 2025. I've just wired up the speaker cable to the speaker connections. So up here, there's the one cable going in. It's oxygen free cable, and that has not been hooked up yet. So I'll pause the video and I'll show it when it's hooked up. Now it's hooked up to the amplifier, left channel, right channel. That's the oxygen free cable is plugged in. Now I'm going to, because the amplifier is unplugged from mains and radio tuner laptop, I'm now going to hook that up and I'll show you what it looks like after that. Now the speaker wire is hooked up, the power is plugged in. I'm now going to turn it on the first time since I put the oxygen free speaker wire is now plugged into the amp into the speakers. I'm going to give it a test. First I'll turn on the power, so I'll pause it for a second. Now I'll see what it sounds like. Now the tuner is turned on, I think. I can't see anything on the tuner. So I'll turn it on here. That's on. Turn on the turn it back a bit. Turn on the amp. Turn the solenoid's gone down, so I'll turn it down. Away.
Today, some showers developing in Fiordland tomorrow morning, spreading to Westland by tomorrow night.
It's working.
The remaining areas of the South Island, all of it apart from Westland and Fiordland, some areas of high cloud, patches of fog or low cloud about some valleys tomorrow morning. And finally, the Channel Islands mostly cloudy with the chance of a shower.
From the Bible, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sins and I will heal their land. Words to live by on Rima.
A wonderful promise from the Word of God from 2 Chronicles chapter 7 and verse 14. Do make sure you read the terms and conditions on that one, though. It is just coming up on 12 on Rima.
Everything you need.
How's that? The radio works, the amp works. Now let's try the laptop, shall we? We got a cable going from the stereo to the laptop now. I haven't plugged it into the laptop just yet. The wires are exposed. It's not healthy. I have to build my own cable. And unfortunately, I'm not made of money, so I have to buy a 3.5 lead to 3.5. Then I have to buy a 3.5 socket to RCA socket, and it'll go. But I've wired into an old RCA cable. That's the one. Now I'll turn on the laptop, and it sounds great. It sounds better than the one before, to be honest. Now we'll try the laptop. It sounds way better, so oxygen-free cable is the way to go. If you want my advice, go oxygen-free. You'll be better off. It's loading XP Professional. Now, I don't have the password to this laptop, so when I get a solid state drive, 500 gig, I'll install Windows 7 Professional. I want to activate it because you can't activate Windows 7, it's no longer supported. And my other laptop, my Toshiba, is going to have Windows 10 Professional on it, but Windows 10 is no longer supported from October the 14th. Now I have to make sure the laptop has to make in a bit. Here it is. We're in XP. Where's the check mark on there? Now, since we've got XP going, there's a sound issue with the sound because I hang up the lead wire properly. Now I'll go to start. And yes, I am going blind. But tint the panel back.
Mesdames, Messieurs, le disc-jockey Zach est de retour.
For some reason there's no sound in the left channel. I'll have to check that. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. The power is yours. Please note in my description I'll give you all the details of the speakers, how it work. Oxygen free cable, the way to go.